I'm going to record your cut of letters and text. Here it is. We can type arbitrary text and letters. You can choose the font here, and this font style, font height. Click to simply cut this part. Offset 5 mm. 5 mm of X is from here to this. YY here, this offset represents the distance from the bottom of the word to the bottom of the countertop. To create a cutting path, click Yes. Then a custom G-code or other cutting property. Cutting speed here. The cutting speed represents this. You can set the bubble cutting speed to 200. If the foam density is 20 cm, below 20 kg, can be set to 300 OK. Here's another one, design memory strategy. Then pass. Here is the selection of passing velocity. Calculate through longer paths, and then there's stop and pause, and it's inside there. Add pause command after hot wire switch. Make other temperatures hit G4. This P4 represents the heating wire. Just warm up. How long does it take to warm up? If you are a 0.3 heating wire, you can set the setting here to 4 seconds. If it is a thicker heating wire, you can set it to 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Just change it to 5 or 6. And that's it. OK, then create the correct G-code and run it. Select an application. Here it is. I have already done it just now. If it doesn't work, you are choosing to choose the desktop CNC software. It will automatically jump into this software.